Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI Weeks monthly spread for the month of March, and this is what I use for my shop. So just a quick peek into what February looked like, where I used my Hearts collection from my January release, and then in my January spread I used the neutral leaves from my December release. So this month I am still going with the trend of using my own stickers. So I'll be using the Clover collection, so some of the deco, some of the circles, and maybe a quote, and I think I'm gonna add some of this hexagon washi from According to Allie. Let's get started. So it's been working so it's been working really well for me using my monthly spread just for my shop. It's been really great actually for keeping track of when I have sales, when I'm gonna do my new releases, when I have to do any purchases for the shop, when bills go out for my shop, things like that. So it's nice to have a monthly overview of everything. And then don't know if you guys I don't know if you guys see where in my yearly spread, or not my yearly, my yearly trackers, where I keep track of how many sales I get per day, and it's actually been working really well for me because I didn't know what I was going to use these monthly spreads for when it came to my work. So this is actually working out really well for me. I'm going to actually place this here. And this one down here. So this is the Clover collection, Shake Your Shamrocks. I don't know why I find that funny, but it is. Shake Your Shamrocks. And I use the corner down here to just to decorate. I always make sure I have enough room for a little bit of decoration. Even if this spread is meant to be very functional, I like having an area just for decoration. And placing this along here. I know the washi does not match. Actually it does. Who am I kidding? And then what do I use the corner for? Okay, so basically down this side I keep track of all of the ideas that I have for stickers, and then down here at the bottom I keep track of what my outgoing costs were, so like my Shopify bill, buying sticker paper, things like that, the number of orders I had total, and then the total sales that I had. So I keep track of that there, as well as keeping track of how many sales I get per day in this yearly tracker. So I'm going to use, see, these are from my Oops, so they haven't printed off completely properly here, and that is going to drive me a little nuts, but I think I could still make it work. Oh yeah. So put a little one there with a little, come on, little one here. Ooh, actually, where's this at? There. And still give me enough room for everything. So then, again, this is going to be a very quick spread, so I'm going to use my Tombow Dual Brush Pen. The color for this one is 192, and then I'm also going to use my Tombow Fudenosuke pen to just write in ideas. And then I'm going to put, I do want the new releases to come out. I normally like them to come out the second Friday of the month. And then I believe I have Shopify bill here, so bill payout. And then, or that's the bill, and then this is when I have my payout. Perfect. And I fill this in as I go in terms of, like, for example, you know, finalizing freebies, printing and cutting, etc. So the second half doesn't have too much in it at the moment, because this second half is probably where I'm going to start designing stickers for the following month. And I don't really, I mean, I think what I'm going to end up tracking in here is how many sticker sheets I've designed each day, things like that. So it's a very simple spread. I'm kind of bothered by this pink here, not completely matching, but whatever. And then down here, I'm going to put the outgoings, number of orders, and total sales. All right. So again, a very quick plan with me in the monthly spread of my Hobonichi weeks. It doesn't actually need a lot because it is mostly functional, but then I always allow myself some room to add some decoration. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.